All right. What do we got here? Come see. We got ourselves a real, it's called a real lawnmower. That's what it is, okay? So, the way this guy works is when you push it, let's take these pieces out and unbox it. When you push it, these things inside the reel spin and they cut the grass. See that? But this should not be pushed by hand or be close to these reels because they could be dangerous. So you don't want to do that. This is should be done from a distance. Yeah, from a distance by pushing these things, and it should be done with supervision of a parent, or a parent should just do this and you can watch. The good thing about it is that it doesn't make a sound. So when I actually do this, you're not going to be scared because every time we turn on the big lawnmower, you're scared that it's so loud, right?
No, I'm not.
Well, you're not scared, but you don't like the sound. It's too loud for you. That's what I meant, right? You're
but
not
remember
scared.
with no headphones on, I pushed it with him?
Yeah, that's right. So, I think what we're going to do now is we're going to put this thing together.
Yep.
And see what we got. So like I said, this thing is definitely, we need to stay away from these reels. Yeah, and we're gonna just set up the handlebars so that we can push it from a distance, a safe distance, and that way we will be able to push this thing together, and I will help you because you shouldn't be doing it together. And then we will see how this thing cuts our grass because I think it's gonna do a pretty good job of it. Okay?
I think it's not gonna work.
You don't think it's gonna work? I think it will. But we'll see because our grass is actually pretty long. So it's gonna take some time to actually cut it.
It's actually gonna work.
We'll see. Let's put it together and go outside and see how it works, okay?
Okay.
Nice. There you go. Good job. That is a good job. I'll tighten it up a little more. Perfect.
This is not supposed to be that low.
Look at that. Well, you can adjust it to whatever height you need. See that? You see that? That is pretty cool. Got it set up good to go. And see how it's a safe distance away from all the reels there, so it's perfect. So that'll work just well. What we have to do now is go try it out. But I think here, you see this? Come see this. You see this thing here?
Yeah?
It's got different holes. So when you unplug this, see how it goes lower to the ground? So that means it'll cut our grass lower. But I think we're gonna leave the grass higher. So you wanna lift this for me? Lift it all the way up, almost like that. You see how much it's off the ground? So now we have to come here on this side and do the same. Like, oops, a little more, like so. So now it's off the ground where we want it to be. And let's go check it out. Let's go in the back and check this thing out. All right?
Oh, when you push this blade doesn't spin.
Yeah. Let's go see if this thing works at all.
Whoa, what is this doing?
Let's wait. I think we'll have to readjust it a little bit better, and then we'll see. Here we are. Let's see how this thing functions. Let's push it together. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a little stuff there. Wow. Okay. I think our grass is very, very high. So we're gonna raise this all the way up. Just wait. Let's take this thing up and go like that. And I think that's the top hole we can plug it into. So we'll do the same here, like that. Oh yeah, this thing is pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's back it up. Let's back it up. See if we can do it from here again. Let's go. Wow. Did that cut it good? Almost. It looks like we're gonna have to do a few tries with it, but
It's still good.
is it?
Yeah.
And it's not as loud as the gas one. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me try this. Let me try something. Let's back it up.
Just keep going all the way to the wood. It'll work.
Think so?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It worked.
There's grass on it now. Wow.
It worked.
So I guess it works. What do you think of this thing? Is it better than the gas one, the big one? Or is this...
Definitely.
It is? You like it way better?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. I don't know if it's cutting the grass evenly. Let's see here. Let's lower this thing. Look down here. Is all the grass cut properly?
Yeah.
Well, go there and see. Is there some long ones or short ones? Do I see some long ones? Did it cut them all right?
I can see some long ones.
Do you? Where are they?
They're there. It's like still sticking up.
See? It's not really doing it all the way, like evenly. Why is it doing that? Maybe because the grass is so tall that it can't handle it. It's too much. But let's try it. Let's try it again. Wow, definitely chops it up pretty nice.
It chops up more grass than the other one. Than the gas one. It chops up way more grass.
Wow.
This works a lot. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so
I'm gonna do that part.
we're gonna do the whole part. The
When
problem.
I wear shorts, the grass is so long.
Okay,
I have to
so
push it harder for that part. I have to push it way harder.
okay.
Ah!
Wow. Wow. Okay, wait. Let's see now. Let's set it up here like that. So that's how you leave it and let it sit. Is it now even?
Yeah.
Oh, it's looking good compared to the ones that we didn't cut. This is pretty even. And it's looking good.
Let's go.
All right, we're gonna finish the rest. And then in the next one, we're gonna try to see which one is gonna be better. This thing or the gas one. And then,
I think the gas one's actually
you think so?
better.
And then we're gonna compare your toy lawnmower one to this one and see which one's better too. Okay?
We didn't find a real blade toy lawnmower.
We're gonna have to find it. That's our mission. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.